I'm like drooling into my mouth. It's kind of weird.
No. I am too. Like I have too much shit in my
I'm not
mouth.
like drooling out, I'm drooling like in.
Oh my god!
It's that my mouth is dry.
How are you drilling into your mouth when it's dry?
I don't know. I don't fucking know.
It's always fuck.
Yeah! Clean up! I need to get out. I'm gonna puke on you. I'm gonna fucking puke on you, Shannon.
Okay. Ow!
Yeah.
Come on.
Is my mom here?
My mom. Oh my god.
Guys.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh. I don't know. I have to go in and wash blankets.
Yeah, me too.